Hello. Welcome to IMA. Today's topic: why reading books is powerful. Introduction. Do you like stories or new ideas? Reading books is fun and helps your brain grow. Let's see why reading is powerful. Builds knowledge. Books teach about history, science, or daily life. Example. Reading about money helps you save better. Improves language and thinking. You learn new words. Reading helps you write better. It also helps you think clearly. Helps focus and imagination. Reading a story helps you concentrate. You imagine pictures and feel emotions. Deaf-friendly tips for reading. Choose simple English or picture books. Try comics or stories with visual signs. Use audiobooks plus captions or videos with ISL. Make reading a habit. Read 10 minutes daily. Carry a small book or use an app. Share stories with friends or family. Final message. Reading is like food for the brain. More reading is equal to more confidence and smart thinking. Start today. One page, one book, one step. Thank you.